dear students, welcome back. Today we have lesson 39. I will introduce the future continuous or the future progressive. So are you ready? Let's begin. There are two forms to talk about the future continuous. The first one will be plus present participle, and the second one is be going to be plus present participle. Okay, so they have the same meaning, it's just the same thing. The difference is that will be plus present participle, we use it in formal situations, and be going to be plus present participle, we use it in informal situations or contexts. Okay, so the present participle, as we saw before, is verb plus ing. For example, studying, verb to study. So here are some time expressions used with the future continuous. By this time tomorrow, by this time next week, at this time tomorrow, at this time next year, by o'clock tomorrow. Okay, here we have we add the time we want. Tomorrow from 2, tomorrow at o'clock. Okay, so here we add the time, etc. When do we use the future continuous? Let's see them. There are 3 uses of the future continuous. The first one, to describe an action in progress for a period of time or during a specific moment in the future. Okay, to talk about an action in progress or ongoing or continuing for a period of time. For example, here look at the timeline from 8 to 6 p.m. This is a period of time, or during a specific moment. For example, here we have 10 a.m. in future. Examples. The first one, tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. I will be working, or I am going to be working. They have the same meaning. Okay, so tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. this is the time expression in future. I will be working, or I am going to be working. Okay, the verb to work is conjugated in future continuous. The second example, tomorrow at 10 a.m. I will be working, or I am going to be working. Okay, so look here at the timeline. We have the period of time from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. I will be working. And we have a specific moment in the future, which is 10 a.m. I will be working. Okay. The second use is to refer to an event in progress in the future, which is interrupted by a shorter action. Okay, an event in progress, and then we have another one which interrupted it, which is short action. Look at the timeline. We have the action in progress, and then we have the interruption. Let's see the example. By this time tomorrow, I will be waiting, or I am going to be waiting for you at the airport when you arrive. By this time tomorrow is the time expression. I will be waiting, or I am going to be waiting is verb to wait in the future continuous for you at the airport when you arrive. When you arrive is here the short action, and we conjugate verb to arrive in simple present. Okay, look here at the timeline. We have long action and we have the interruption. The third use is to talk about 2 actions that will be happening in progress or continuing at the same time in the future. Look at the timeline. We have 2 actions in progress, okay, in the same time, simultaneously in future. Example, by 11 a.m. tomorrow. Here we have the time expression in future, used with future. My sister will be reading, or is going to be reading, a novel while I will be playing, or I am going to be playing the guitar. By 11 a.m. tomorrow, my sister will be reading, verb to read, in future continuous, a novel while here is a word used to talk about two actions, two long actions happening simultaneously or at the same time. While I will be playing, or I am going to be playing the guitar. Look here at the timeline. We have will be reading, will be playing, two long actions ongoing simultaneously in the future. When not to use the future continuous, okay, with non-continuous verbs or stative verbs. Stative verbs are used with simple tenses. Pay attention. The stative verbs are used with simple tenses, not with ing forms, okay, not with any continuous tense. Let's see some examples of stative verbs. Verb to like, verb to love, verb to hate, verb to want, verb to need, verb to prefer, verb to know, verb to suppose, verb to mean, verb to believe, verb to understand, verb to seem, etc. Okay? Here are some examples. I will be liking. Here we have verb to like. It is a stative verb. So this sentence is wrong. We don't say I will be liking. We say I will like. Since we are talking about future, we use the future tense or simple future. I will like. He will be wanting to help you. Verb to want. It is a stative verb. So this sentence is wrong. So the right one, he will want. We use the simple future. They will be needing. Verb to need is a stative verb. Okay? We don't use ing form. So the correct sentence is they will need. We use the simple future. How to use the future continuous? So here we're going to talk about the structure, the three forms, affirmative, negative, and interrogative form, and the spelling rules for adding ing to verbs. Let's start with the structure. The structure using will be subject plus will, or the short form l, plus be plus present participle or verb plus ing. Okay, so will here is a modal auxiliary verb. Let's see the example. I will be studying, or I'll be studying. The structure using be going to be is subject plus be going to be plus present participle or main verb plus ing. Let's see the example. I am, or am, going to be studying. Here we conjugate just be. Okay? I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. The future continuous forms. We start with will be plus present participle. Here are the three forms. The affirmative one, I will be playing, or I'll be playing. He will be playing, or he'll be playing. She will be playing, or she'll be playing. It will be playing. We will be playing, or will be playing. You will be playing, or you'll be playing. They will be playing, or they'll be playing. Pay attention here, we don't use it'll be playing because We don't use it usually, you know, so it's better to say it will be playing. So for the negative form, I will not be playing, or I won't be playing. Won't is the contracted form or short form of will plus not. He will not be playing, or he won't be playing. She will not be playing, or she won't be playing. It will not be playing, or it won't be playing. You will not be playing, or we won't be playing. You will not be playing, or you won't be playing. They will not be playing, or they won't be playing. Okay, so here we change just the subject. The interrogative form, will I be playing? Here we change the order between will and the subject. Will he be playing? Will she be playing? Will it be playing? Will we be playing? Will you be playing? Will they be playing? Okay, so let's move to be going to be plus present participle. Here are the three forms. I am going to be playing. He is going to be playing. She is going to be playing. It is going to be playing. We are going to be playing. You are going to be playing. So please practice with me, okay? Repeat after me so that you can get used to them. They are going to be playing, so please repeat and repeat again. For the negative form, I am not going to be playing. Here we add just not, okay? So we conjugate be and we add not and we keep going to be playing as it is. He is not going to be playing. She is not going to be playing. It is not going to be playing. So please repeat with me. We are not going to be playing. You are not going to be playing. They are not going to be playing. For the interrogative form, am I going to be playing? Okay, here we change the order between be and the subject. Is he going to be playing? Is she going to be playing? Is it going to be playing? Are we going to be playing? Are you going to be playing? Are they going to be playing? Okay, so there are 4 spelling rules for adding ing. The first one, most verbs we just add ing. For example, teach, teaching. For example, will you be working at this time tomorrow? Will you be working at this time tomorrow? Here we have verb to work. Okay, so let's see the short answers are the contract, or yes, the short answers, or yes, no answers. Yes, I will. No, I won't. Okay, we use I and we use will. We use the subject and we use will. No, I won't. Won't is the short form of will plus not. Okay, so the second rule, for verbs ending in E, we drop E and we add ing. For example, verb to dance, dancing. Will she be dancing ballet by this time next week? Here we have verb to dance. We drop E and we add ing. The short answer, yes, she will. No, she will not. Or no, she won't. Okay, here we use the contracted form. No, she won't. Yes, she will. No, she won't. The third rule, verbs ending in ie, we drop ie and we add y. For example, verb to lie, lying. Will they be lying at the beach by this time tomorrow? Here we have verb to lie, So we drop IE and we add Y, and the answers: yes, they will, no, they won't. The fourth rule: verbs ending in consonant, vowel, consonant, we double the last letter. Okay, for example, verb to sit, sitting. Let's see the example in a sentence. Will she be sitting here by this time tomorrow? Will she be sitting here by this time tomorrow? Verb to sit. Here we have the consonant, vowel, consonant. So we double the last consonant and we add ing. Yes, she will. No, she won't. Okay, so good luck and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.